So now that you have read through this lesson model and you've made annotations, we've started picking out the different ways that this author supports their ideas using reason and evidence. There are issues in this essay. There are also issues in the next essay, but we can see what they've done. This is the last round of annotations that you will do on this essay copy. So let's go back to the annotating instructions. We have finished it. Like I said, this is the last round of annotations. So you need to do two things. First of all, you need to proofread your study. And if you're satisfied with all the annotations you've made, you're actually going to turn in the study now. So again, read back through here, make sure you're happy with all of the annotations you've made. And once you've done that, you can click Turn In. Feel free to pause your video now and go back, proofread, and click Turn In. Once you've done that, you also need to mark this assignment as done. That way it doesn't show up as missing on your to-do list.